That is why you should use only these lip glosses if you want to achieve that flawless, plump and beautiful look. Okay, don't forget, this is how it looks. Alright, and please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, till I see you in the next video. Bye bye. Madam Influencer, I hope you have done all what I asked you to do. Or have you been sitting down there all day with your phone? I told you countless times that this thing you are doing is a waste of time. Your mates are out there looking for real jobs that will give them real money. Oh, mommy, you don't just get it. Influencing is a real job, mommy. You won't understand. Mommy, do you know how much people are making from social media nowadays? Okay, I've heard you. Anyway, come and give me my food, please. Come and get me my food before I pass out.
Why are you running? Why are you running? What be this? What be this? Jesus.
Alewa, what are you doing with those cucumbers? Nothing, Mao. I just wanted to make some fruit salad and I was checking if the cucumber is still fresh. Fruit salad. And you couldn't take the already sliced ones. You had to take these big ones. Shaleva. And since when did you start making fruit salad with oil? Or is that not oil I'm seeing there? I hope this is not what I'm thinking. Shalewa? I hope you have not started doing what these wayward girls are doing. Mommy, me. No, me. God forbid. I can never be like them, mommy, me. You are sure? I don't want anything that will bring shame to my name. Mommy, you know me. Mommy, you know me. I'm not like that. Okay, if you say so. Mommy, no. I almost forgot. I came to collect the car key. I couldn't find them in my bedroom. Oh yes. I forgot to put them back there. Sorry. They should be in my purse here. Sorry, mommy. Let me try and see. How did I put this? Can you hear the sound? Jesus!
Come on, Luke.
Il est là qui vit dans nous, il